I forgot to film like any sort of intro, so what's going on is I reassembled my axle in my living room, and then I went to Western Speedway to watch Capital Drift. I was taking some photos and operating camera. Well, this is my axle. We are in my living room. Please don't ever work in your living room. It's very stupid. Right now I'm just trying to reassemble everything so it's one axle, so I can put it outside essentially. So we have our housing. I have it covered in garbage bags to protect everything. This is technically drained of fluid, but not really. As you can see, I've threaded all of everything back on here, so we have to unthread so we can get this guy back on here. We're going to shove these guys back in the sides, and then we also have drums that we are going to put back on, and then maybe by the end of today or tomorrow this axle can go back to living in the outdoors and not in my house. So that is what I'm doing. I will try to give a couple updates, but mostly it's just going to be me just trying to get this done because it's really annoying to have inside. So yeah. Step number 2, we got the diff on here all attached. All these bolts are just finger tight. I forgot to do an update on this, but it is a whole axle. Everything is attached. Very shiny drums with the non-shiny parts. So yeah, this is good. Axle's all together, so we need to fill him with fluid. We need to figure out suspension. I have stuff on the way from Speedway Motors, and then I have to figure out what I'm going to do for a spring, and then it'll be good.
Driver's number.
Nerd.
Driver's number. Top guard.
What was that?
We have the eager boys as Danny gives them the sass.
Yeah, sass.
hurt.
That went from like, what, 0 to 0. Dude, that was... I was dabbing that bumper. Yeah!
Yeah.
Frame V8.
There's your code! Oh,
You stress me out.
you stress me out. Faster!
Sprint. He gallops.
Do a flip!
Do a barrel roll.
Judge is screaming for Robert to do a flip.
A little more. Yeah, that's good right there. Now do a flip. Yeah! That was sick. That was good.
So if you're curious, can I do donuts in the pit? My judges are communicating with us today, and it looks like you have one more battle before we get to top 4. Oh, Mark with the jump start. Oh,
Mika coming back.
Mika making the progress. Oh, the phone in hand. The phone in hand the whole time.